So, yes, I think I was saying the different perspectives I have received for gold. I definitely felt like it was gonna drop a little bit, and it has. It did. From 51.75, which is over here, to I think the lowest it got was below 5,000, right at 5,000. Yeah, and this is still overall. It can be a good trade either way. It just really depends on what you're trying to do, how much money you're trying to make for real. Cause it just, I would try to take both, honestly. Like, I would just try to see what price does. This is one of those moments where you just really wait to see what happens, and then not determining, but regardless of what happens, that's how you make your trade. So if you feel it, you know, if it gets below that last low, which is right here where I put that lightning bolt, if it gets below 5,000, then I would see continuous sales. But if it keeps rejecting that area, which is what it's been doing, it's been rejecting that 49.93 area. If it keeps rejecting that area, then I would look for buys. So this is a waiting game. Like, this is really a waiting game, and you just gotta wait to see what price does. You don't want to get in too fast. You don't want to, not necessarily you don't want to miss the opportunity, because you don't want to experience FOMO, but you really want to set your alerts. This is one of those moments where you set alerts on both sides. I will set an alert at this right here and one right there. Then I will set one above here and see what happens. Because right now it's consolidating. This is a box. Yeah, I created a box around it. It's been doing this since when? Tuesday, March 3rd. It's ranging in this area. So whenever it breaks this box, I'd be looking to do the opposite. So say it breaks the low. Then that's going to let me know, okay, it's going to go high. That's just from my prior experience. Let's say it breaks the high. That lets me know it's going to go low. So it just depends. It's a waiting game, like I said. But then again, it's up to you. Use your best judgment. Like I said, I personally have never really traded gold. I think I tried to trade gold on my prop firm account when I had it, and I blew my account because of gold. Like I got into too many sales or too many trades with gold at one time, and it was NFP. I won't forget. I think it was right before my birthday. It was the first Friday of September, and it was NFP. And I had set my trades, like I did a buy sale. No, a buy stop. And I went to go drop my kid off at school. And by the time I got back in the car, my account was closed because I had lost too much money. And it was crazy because literally the trade still went my way. It's just the banks got me out first. They hit my stop loss first. And I also had too much. I had too many of the same trade. I'll say that. I think I had 2 trades with like a 0.5, which basically equals a 1 lot in gold, and I had $100,000 account, and you can only lose 4% of the account in a day. So, yeah, I had lost well over $4,000. So, my account was closed, but it was a learning lesson. It really was. I was doing things I knew I shouldn't have done. I knew I shouldn't have been trading NFP. I knew I shouldn't have walked away from my phone. I knew I shouldn't have been trading gold too, but I still was. So it was a lot of that. But right now I'm consistent on looking at the charts every day, even if I'm not trading on my live account. I don't have a platform account anymore. I don't plan on buying one either. So yeah, but that's all for this video, y'all. I'm not going to talk too much about any other pairs because gold is the only one I'm really looking at.